coughing and sneezing. When you sneeze, your body is trying to get rid of germs that get trapped in your nose. A sneeze can travel out of your nose at 100 miles per hour. The germs can fly from 6 to 8 feet away from you. If you cover your nose and mouth with a tissue, then the germs cannot fly away to other people. After you sneeze and cover your nose and mouth with a tissue or your hand, you should wash your hands. A cough is a reflex that helps to protect your airways and lungs. We cough from fumes, dust, pollen, smoke, lung diseases, or illnesses. These things go into your lungs and your body coughs to get rid of them. Always cover your mouth when you cough. A cough can travel out of your mouth at 50 miles per hour. Most coughs disappear after a few weeks. Don't forget to wash your hands.